Hello, SAP Business One community. Do you know that we have an anniversary within the SAP Business One product family? It's 10 years since the B1IF product was developed and launched. So we thought it was a great opportunity to feature that product a little bit with this video clip. So Volker from the global rollout team within SAP sat down with a founder and father and a responsible guy for B1IF within SAP, Heinz, Pauly, to talk about what happened 10 years ago, why was it decided to develop B1IF, and talk about some of his most memorable moments over the last 10 years, and obviously talk about what is B1IF today, and also what to expect moving forward.
Yeah, thank you, Finn. My name is Volker and the gentleman next to me is Heinz Pauly. So, Heinz, 10 years is a really long time. Do you remember how it started?
Yeah, well, actually it started 1988 when I developed my very first integration platform, at that time based on DOS with Clipper. We used modem to exchange the data. Very interesting time. Then Windows came, so we switched to Windows, and then I was responsible for the CRM middleware in SAP. So we gained a lot of experience during all this development and with the different platforms, different operating systems in Unix, Windows, DOS, whatever. Out of that we developed some ideas how to do integration in a better way than at this time. It was Stone Age for integration, a lot of space to improve. We came up with some ideas, coming along with models and running an integration based on definitions in a model. The first time when we tried this out was inside the CRM middleware, where we connected a lot of different R3 systems on project basis on customer side with the predecessor of the today B1I. In 2003 then the situation was that more and more the integration was so expensive for the Business One and for the small business. We wanted to integrate Business One into R3 systems. It was impossible with more than 100,000 euro just to integrate the Business One to R3. So the idea was that we have to work, pack all our ideas together and come up with a good approach, with a completely new idea how to do integration for small business. Yeah.
So I understand that we do a lot integrating a subsidiary solution based on running on B1 with the headquarter running on ECC or ERP. So we do it very successfully with more than 2,500 subsidiaries. But this is still in the upper end, I would say. But what about the classical SME customer? What is the importance for them running an integration?
Yeah, subsidiary integration was really just the first use case. From beginning on, the concept was a complete integration platform, and the first use case where we focused on was the subsidiary integration. But in the complete SME area, we see exactly the same integration needs that all others have as well. It was just in older times not possible. It was impossible because it was so costly. So we changed actually this integration in the SME market with our products. And today the trend is without integration you cannot do anything. And an ERP system is just an island when it does not have capabilities to integrate in the ecosystem. More and more everything gets transferred in an electronic way, and you have so many touch points in your individual ecosystem that you need to be very flexible and easy to integrate. And this is our statistics prove it. So we have 30,000 customers worldwide with integration in 150 countries in the world. Partner are developing individual integration scenarios. So I think we are on the right way.
And it's not only business process integration, but also from the legal perspective, right? There are more and more obligations where customers have to apply with some rules. So.
Legal Brazil, legal Mexico. It will come in all countries.
You mentioned before that integrating a system with any other systems can be a very complicated and costly project. So how can a partner or customer get started on the subject?
Yeah, this is what we changed drastically. The B1I is really a small integration framework, very, very lean. It comes along inside Business One, and I think many partners are using it and they even don't know that B1 is running in the background. A lot of application functionality we are sitting on top of B1I. We ship inside the B1I, like the mobile solution. We have a complete own solution for intercompany, for many, many different business ones interacting in an intercompany use case. We have request for quotations. We have all these legal Datev HR and so on for the German market. So many different integration solutions inside, and I think this is a good idea for partners to get started. Okay, just try these out, get familiar with it, set it up, make first experience, and then they can go for the next step for developing their own integration scenarios.
Okay, so we learned it's part of the package. When I install B1, Business One, it's already also been let's say installed, and they can consume those services.
Yes.
You mentioned development. I think development, B1 partner have a long history of developing add-ons, industry add-ons, micro verticals, horizontal solution.
Exactly, yes.
So using the software development kit, how does the integration framework now fit into this picture, and is also a value add for them using the B1 integration?
Yeah. What makes our success is our huge partner community that we have. They build excellent solutions. And in the past, they were forced to build the complete integration functionality by themselves. And now, so they just use the SDK, the API at that time, and they have to develop everything that they need around by themselves. And this was very costly for them. And the interface, like the API, and today the service layer is 10% of the integration task. So they have to develop the 90% for each and every customer. Again and again, maybe they develop some libraries. But it's today it's totally different. So for them, we provide this 90% as a mature solution out of the box, scalable, mature, very easy to use. This allows our partner then to focus on their core competence. They can focus on the business processes that they want to implement, and they can drastically increase the productivity.
Right. And this is also the experience of the partner. It's not necessarily the integration, but really more the value add processes.
Yes. We have to deal with so many small things in the protocols, TCP, IP, and whatever. I don't think that partners should care about all these things.
And should develop the third, fourth time a message handling or error message.
It is so complex, and it takes such a long time to get it really stable. So we just have it. Sit on top, develop your solution, focus on your things. This is the message.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's no reason to not to get into SAP Business One integration framework, I think. There's a lot of information out there. I know we have a very sophisticated documentation in the product itself. We also have on the Partner Edge portal e-learning materials, PowerPoint, slide decks. There's a lot also you contribute to the enablement.
Yes, from the development, we look on a daily basis in the SCN, in our partner forum, we answer individual questions. We are there for our partners. This is the best roll-in channel that we can have.
So I like the sentence, we are there for our partners.
Definitely.
Thank you, Heinz, and just get started.
Thank you.